Assalamu alaikum students, this is Najma Khan here, your SST teacher, and today's topic is environment. What is environment? Environment consists of air, water and land. It consists of everything we see around like trees, plants, flowers, animals, birds, people. People like mother, friends and neighbors. They all together make environment. Other things like fishes in the ponds, birds on the trees, beautiful butterflies on red roses, the grass below and the blue sky above. They all are the components of environment. Environment satisfies all our needs. It gives us air that we breathe. It gives us water that we drink. It gives us food that we eat and stay healthy. It also gives us clothes that cover our body. This is our place. We belong to this. We stay in this place. We all should try to keep it clean and safe. But how? Yes, this is the question. How can we keep our environment safe? So students, this is the question for you. You are going to answer it. You are supposed to make an assignment on it and send it to me on this given email address as soon as possible. So, waiting for your answers. Goodbye and take care.